With this new video, we present yet another location where our enduring designer chairs have been chosen and placed. In the heart of the Netherlands, SLA Bar Salad is redefining healthy dining with fresh, plant-based cuisine. But great food deserves a space that reflects its values: natural, sustainable, and inviting. That's where Fornasarig comes in. SLA needed a seating solution that aligned with their eco-conscious philosophy, one that felt organic, complemented their earthy interiors, and subtly encouraged a dynamic flow of customers. A delicate balance between aesthetics, comfort, and function. In this project, Fornasarig collaborated with interior designer NISS makers, who created ideal conditions for a hospitality context in perfect harmony with a layout based on environmental sustainability. With its elegant metal sled base and natural wood panels, the Wolfgang metal base chair perfectly combines sustainability and contemporary elegance. The tactile warmth of wood enhances the connection with nature, while the sturdy yet lightweight structure ensures easy use and adaptability to the hospitality needs of this business. With years of expertise in contract seating, Fornasarig understands what every space needs: style, function, and lasting quality. That's why leading designers all over the world trust us to bring their clients' vision to life.